Hello there. How are you? Pradichaya Poonyarit is back with another episode for Cook Like a Thai Made Simple by cooklikeathai.com. Why only cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai? Ooh, what does that even mean anyway? Welcome to Cook Like a Thai Made Simple with Pradichaya Poonyarit. This episode is brought to you by Cook Like a Thai. Cook authentically Thai with stories. It means anyone can cook Thai. To most Thais, the Thai out there is not the Thai. They themselves cook and eat with their families. So if Thais in America and all over the world can eat Thai food the way it really is, the original way, the Thai way, then why can't you? Why don't you get served Thai food at Thai restaurants? I love you guys, restaurants, but I really think you gotta step up. When you go to restaurants, you expect the best. What was the first thing that come to mind? Food, right? Not the atmosphere, not the music, not the beautiful platings, but the flavors, the aroma, the thing that you go and invest yourself for. You want that. So while you guys are figuring it out, restaurant people, I'm going to invite you listeners to cook like a Thai at home, to bring it home, bring Thailand home to you. Yes, let's cook like a Thai today already. Today's episode is inspired by last week's episode, number 9. I took you back to Thailand with me on my last trip, and that was 5 years ago. It was really strange. For the first time, I felt like I didn't belong anymore. Everything that I did there really put the Thai part in me. What does it mean to be Thai? You don't have to go far away. We can just talk Thai food. Every bite that you take, that's the Thai part. Every bite is Thai. Thai food is not just the way it looks, not only the taste, but also the aroma. You can see all the work, so many layers that makes it Thai. And it's because Thai people are very artistic, detail-oriented. Everything a Thai person does shows so much artistic value, craftsmanship. That being said, I'm not at all like that. I'm not. I can't sit there and carve fruits or vegetables and turn them into cute little animal flowers or leaves, things that's supposed to be the side for one glorious dipping taste. I'm not like that at all. My mom tried to teach me to be, she said, delicate. I was a little strong. I always spoke my mind, even as a kid. And my mom said, bring that down a notch. We have to put some gentleness in you. She started by trying to teach me to make this little lie with carving knives. Yeah, of course. I got the set she used. I don't use them. I try. Nothing worked, okay, in that department. In school, when a nice teacher taught me how to do it, you know what I did? I hired someone just right outside the window to do it for me. Isn't that awful? I just felt like there's so many things that you can do, but you can't be good at everything that you do. So that was not my forte. My forte is I recognize Thai food. I smell and I taste. I can combine them together and produce this same kind of Thai food I grew up with. And to me, that's Thai. And this is the thing. I would love to give you another option instead of doing Thai takeout or eat out at Thai restaurant, fine dining and all. Maybe you would rather cook at home. And why just cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai? And I can teach you. I will save you all these times that you go through your try and errors. You don't have to be so serious. You just want to cook Thai food at home, but you want to cook Thai food. You don't want to cook so-called Thai, American Thai, restaurant Thai, Bato sauce Thai, powder pad Thai. You don't want to do that. You want to cook real Thai food. And I can teach you. So I was inspired. There was this one dish that stuck out. And that was steam rolls. Not in the same way as dim sum. Steam roll, spring roll. And also another one that you can't skip over is Thai egg rolls. And this is something that my mom taught me. I do make egg rolls quite a bit because my family love egg roll. I have 2 secrets for you. One secret is in the sauce. And another secret is in the fillings. That's the satisfaction that you won't get when you go to restaurants. Let me take you inside and we're gonna start revealing Thai's only secrets. Doing it here. But before anything, please like, subscribe to my channel, Cook Like a Thai Made Simple, and share the video, share the channel to the people who love Thai food just like you, so you can cook the same way Thai people like me cook at home. So like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you inside. Hi, I'm back. I'm running a slideshow in the background. I don't have them in the right order, but I just want to show you egg rolls, spring roll, all the rolls I've made, and I want to show you how you too can do it. Simple few ingredients. If you go to your supermarket, you'll be able to get it. Bamboo, they come in cans. You can get that too. And glass noodles. Some of the big grocery stores have glass noodles. Now, I'm gonna say all of this in general. I already said in the earlier part of the video that I have two secrets. One is in the fillings. The other one, the secret's in the sauce. In Thailand, my mom, whenever she made her own egg rolls, she would buy just the wrapping from this dessert snack type of thing. It's sponge sugar, and it's just beautiful because it's so light, so fluffy. It comes in pastel green, pink, and white. The wrapper would be so thinner than the typical egg roll wrappers. I wish we could have that. I'm gonna look because there are ways to do it. For the rice paper, all you have to do is give it a bath in a big bowl filled with water, and you put it in, leave it for 5 seconds. You will know how it will work out for you. This is the thing with many things. You don't know if it's for you until you do it. So I'm here to clarify a lot of things. You notice there's some pork or pork belly, and you will even see bacon. But with bacon, you risk ruining the Thai aroma, because usually it's smoked maple wood, stuff like that. Don't do it. Do the normal typical bacon. But if you can help it, just get any piece of pork with fat. We need fat part. So you see pork that I chop, moo sap. If you're in the book From Gaprow to Keemao, you will know what moo sap and moo bot, how they are different. Ground pork, but not really. One is ground, one is chopped. Ground pork and chopped pork. And the shrimp, and that's chives from my backyard. I grow chives because it's a pain to go buy them. You would use a lot, and yeah, to me they're expensive. Oh, those are chopped bamboo. These are taro. I didn't chop taro because they get really soft already. And I think I use a rather small shrimp. And the shrimp goes into the chives, the pork goes into the bamboo and taro. That's the one I use Vietnamese rice paper for. So the secret, it's the added factor that you will put to it, which are 3 things. One is cilantro root, garlic, peppercorn, and you would pound them together in a mortar. I chop it or use hand blender, also even food processor, and freeze them for those days. I don't want to bother. The difference is frozen GPC, garlic, pepper, and cilantro would not be as aromatic as freshly pounded or ground one. That's obvious, right? Because when you do it fresh, it's so much better. If I can help it, I do everything fresh. Now, if you wonder what the heck, cilantro root, I used to shop at this hoity-toity store. Hoity-toity. I say that because hoity-toity. I asked if they have the uncut, even unclean cilantro. They gave me the look up and down. And they said, no, we don't do that here. So I said, what do you do with the roots? We throw them away. Oh my God, you throw away the cilantro roots? That was my reaction. That freaked them out. They wouldn't want to give me more of their time and walked away. They did. They walked away. Okay, fine. So you don't have the roots. I want the roots. Nothing will replace the roots. Don't let other people who know Thai food tell you otherwise. The root has specific aroma and it's perfect when you pound it together with garlic. Preferable Thai or even Chinese garlic. Thai garlic, the smaller one. Be particular about your garlic. Don't pick large bowl. Pick smaller size. When I do my paste or GPC, I would pick tiny, the smallest one in the bowl. And sometimes it's hard, so do your best. Sometimes I get medium size because garlic over here is so huge. Cilantro root has that specific smell that will go well with garlic. Top it off with peppercorn and ground. Try to get them that way. And please, when you buy peppercorn, buy smaller size. Don't buy a big one, so the aroma will remain intact. You want peppercorn not really for the heat. Some heat, right? But you want it more for the aroma. This is how it works so well with cooking Thai food. You don't just go for the taste, you go for the aroma. And this is the same reason why most Thais my age or even a little younger, and of course older than I am, yes, there's still some who are older, we all feel if everything already made for you, pre-mixed, pre-cooked, things that you can just grab off a store shelf like pad Thai noodle sauce, curry sauce, paste and powder, anything like that. On top of there, putting in the unnatural stuff to preserve or extra things that help them cut their costs, whatever they do, you're better off doing it fresh. And this is why restaurants can't deliver most of the time, despite how much a lot of them try very hard, and I have to give them my respect because they do the best they can, yet there's still some aspect that will never ever replace your home cooked meals. So when you get to the point that you start cooking Thai meals at home like a Thai, things will start rolling, and at some point you will completely wear a Thai cooking personality. You will know exactly that you already accomplished your cook like a Thai success, your ability, not only Thai food but like a Thai. You can learn a lot from these photos. Go ahead, pause it, study it, take what you want and try it at home. The secrets in the sauce, with that sauce, that particular one, I deliberately made it similar to Chinese. Usually it's the sticky sauce. Egg rolls and spring rolls, summer rolls, they share similar sauce. So the sticky sauce, there's another one that you put in a lot of pepper vinegar, the rather hot kind. Here we use long Chinese pepper. If you like the heat so much, I don't mind the burn, but I do. Use habanero. There's one drawback, well, two. One is it burns everything, and two, because it burns everything, you can't feel the true taste of egg rolls and the sauce, and you can't smell, can't experience the aroma either. So that takes away a little bit of the Thai part in Thai food. If you use shrimp, you can use small one as long as they're fresh. Well, I wouldn't want to use cooked shrimp because you're gonna cook it again and they will be kind of hard. So don't do that. Egg roll and spring roll fillings, I use shrimp, some sort of pork fat, part of the belly, maybe trimming with a little meat. I would chop them. When you don't have time, go for the bacon, but avoid all this applewood or things that will overpower Thai aroma. And most of the aroma will come out from GPC, garlic, ground pepper, and cilantro root. Oh, I never finished sharing with you the story of my cilantro root. So when the nice people at this hoity-toity store walked away from me, next time my husband came with me. He asked the same thing, and guess what? They went to the back and came out with a lot of cilantro with roots intact. I was so happy. My husband got me cilantro roots. The stem, the leaves don't have the same aroma as the roots. The roots are so important. And this is why we don't use cilantro in curry paste to turn it into green curry paste. It smells horrible and it makes everything go off as far as other herbs concerned. Herbs and spices that you put in a curry just get thrown off as soon as you add the green thing, which happen to be cilantro. And then there are people, even Thais, they use basil to make their curry green, so they chop them in Thai cooking. You don't chop basil, you don't do that. After you cook everything, you turn off the heat, or right before you turn off the heat, then you would drop it in. You don't want the heat from the food to make your beautiful herbs wilt and turn black. You know what turns it green? Green chilies. And everyone goes, no, but it would be so hot. Well, it'll be hot if you don't take the core and the seeds out. So if you don't want it hot, take them all out. And that's how I've been cooking. That's it, no secret. Woo, let's get back to what's in front of us here. What else I put in there? So basically GPC, I use nam pla, a bit of sugar to bring out the saltiness in nam pla. When you use nam pla, be careful and try to stick with Thai nam pla, please. Is it time? I left this bottle here and my husband thought that we ran out of nam pla. This is the brand I use. This is #1 brand for me in America. It's harder to find. You need to go to the Thai store. It's called Tiparot. It's spelled Tiparos, and I don't even see an English spelling. This is in Thai and in Chinese. Yeah, the first brand. They're like 100 years old, and they just started to import. Meanwhile, we have squid brand, which came way later. I would say squid didn't come out until the mid or late 70s. I can be wrong. They have great marketing, and they market all over the world. And now squid fish sauce, which doesn't make sense because it started out as squid, so it's not fish. They're made in California. I would go to Thai store, and it's the only place in Las Vegas that carries tipparot, and there's imitation brand that looks similar to this. So you don't read Thai. What you do, make it easy for you. You go to the Thai person at the store, the owner, the clerk, their children, whoever, and have them point out tipparot, 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 even though they spell it Tiparos. There's so many Chinese grocery stores here, and none of them carry tipparot. They carry pramuk, which is squid brand. When I can't get to the Thai store for this, I go for squid brand. I don't like it. They add more sugar and stuff than tipparot. Keep in mind though, original nampla, you don't need sugar. It's just fish and salt, preserved, fermented in this clay pot, and which would be half buried in the ground. Imagine clay mud is cooling. This is fun. Let's keep going. So the one sauce, I put it thin soy sauce. It is salty, but it's not very, and it's not sweet. But the basic sauce is the sticky sauce, and that's the sauce, your basic, your foundation for most of the steam and the fried snack. And it consists of 3 things. But if you like heat, make that 4. So salt, vinegar, and sugar. Unfortunately, you have to use real sugar in this because what's going to make it sticky? Sugar. And if you like it hot, chop red or green or whatever color pepper you desire. If you don't like it hot but you want some pepper, use regular not so hot pepper. Also, if you want to use the hot pepper but you don't want it too hot, you take out the cores and the seeds. That's that. Nothing to it. That's it. That's your sticky sauce. The pepper you would put in after the sugar becomes sticky. There's another sauce that I had on this trip at the restaurant. They made it similar to seafood sauce. They use garlic, green pepper, and vinegar. Sometimes people can use lime or lemon with that. They put in sugar. I'm sure they put in MSG. I avoid MSG because I already know that it comes with nampla, with naman hoi, oyster sauce, and all kinds of sauces that you use. So I do my best not to add it in. I don't need MSG. You want to know why people use MSG? They do it because the food was not so fresh. In Southeast Asia, the climate is tropical. It can get really hot in the afternoon, and in the old days, what will preserve it, right? So they use MSG. Noodle stand, street food, they use MSG to preserve, to hide, and to enhance the flavors. That's the story of MSG. Okay, I talk enough. If you want help, come over to my website. Let's see what we can do together. There are choices. You can keep watching videos. There'll be trainings, and soon enough, I will start my blog article or article blog. Yeah, all of this will be free. Subscribe to my Cook Like a Thai Love Letters. Be on the inside of my circle. There are a lot of things I can't fit into these videos. And at the same time, I'm an open book. And that happens in my personal circle. I'm going to share with you more. Not just about tip techniques and recipes that makes it Thai, but personality, knowing the Thai way. At the end of this, you will have an add-on perspective to what you already have. Isn't that wonderful? You see more, and I think it's great. And that's how you open yourself up to meeting new people, learning new things, new culture, new food culture, and cook great dishes from a new part of the world. I think that's wonderful. And do it today. Cook like a Thai today already, because you don't want to waste time. Only cook Thai food, or just go to Thai restaurants and not eating so Thai. Cook like a Thai today already. Do it. Okay? Now see you next Thursday. Mwah! สวัสดีค่ะ ขอบคุณมากค่ะ